Mic test. We're going to put it real up close, and we're going to pull it far away.
McAllister. Clitoris.
He said clitoris. Hello. All right, this up today, and I don't even know where I was going with that. I lost it, my train of thought.
And you can go fuck yourself.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Okay. And then we'll deep dive this.
Deep cool, like, is that deep cool? Yeah, deep cool. 38 stream processor from like, it's a Shubi. It's a Shubi. That feels right.
You cut that right there, McAllister.
It's a Shubi.
There'll be a full video on that graphics card later, but
yeah.
isn't it? It's kind of freaky.
Yes, yes.
And I believe this. Yes.
I'm gonna pull up the camera.
Nothing too crazy, but it's marketing.
It's a marketing scheme.
Everything's a marketing scheme.
Capitalism.
The pyramid. Uh-oh, Illuminati. Jackson, and while Jackson is having fun playing with the camera that is obviously following him, which we'll talk about here in a second. Wow, the link does not take me anywhere anymore. This is
the tiger.
Yeah, it's the Onu Kumai.
Data.
Like, just look at that. Like, let's
It's
go.
definitely been nibbled a little bit.
So is this a return? It is 360. Just keep
like,
walking.
Like, who even needs that in a webcam? I don't know.
Oh, I think it lost you right. Stop.
Halt.
Halt. All right, we're not going to talk about the L feature.
Boomer,
I don't like
boomer
it.
technology.
I don't like it.
Okay. Guys.
Okay. McAllister, be like, okay. PC Brothers. Vertical. And you know, what did I say before? I got
PC, which, and that's because we're not including that in the price, right?
No.
God, I'm like struggling. It is going to appear.
It's going to magically appear.
I feel like the headset is always forgotten.
It's always forgotten. You're just like, yeah, headset, whatever. Callister, you know what to do. Movie magic, this magically appeared.
You gotta have like the little poof of smoke just pop up. Poof.
Okay, boom. Portable and also looks more.
Kamura.
Recording, escape, Fortnite. Here we go.
All right, one of them, and wait, they don't know that yet.
What are we using in this gaming PC build?
I feel like I was like,
yeah,
I don't know. I feel like it's all right.
And speaking of a pretty nice system, and speaking of the power, I didn't even say it. It's been a day.
Recording.
Computer.
This gaming PC, and I think it worked pretty well. It's not happy right now. She keeps ramping up, but it doesn't know what's happening. What do you have to say to that?
I don't even know what to say right now. It's getting to
The thermal take.
The team group for making. I keep waiting for it to rev up. What kind of specs you want to see on the next build next month, and be sure to join the giveaway stream.
10th.
Rev.
So I'm so excited.
All right.
Stay steady now. Stay steady now.
It's saying goodbye to you all.
Zoom, zoom. Yeah, it's definitely a GPU. Hello.
Swear darn tootin'.
Taking a look at a 6. I just said the price.
Wow.
All right.
Bliss.
I got my ramen noodle hiccups.
Recording there.
Hello. Big balls, Brody. Fat gums, girlfriend. McAllister, you're gonna bark for the lower thirds.
Callister, I want you to put a video on screen of you going woof.
McAllister, right there, would you keep in the video?
He's like, yeah.
3. I want to get a not shit computer.
Everyone loves PC Bros merch. I'm just saying.
Yes.
Everyone.
Suspicious.
Well, wait a minute. Whoa. It's a ballin' little machine.
Ball and chain, baby, right here.
We love the 580, and the performance is really good.
And we found McAllister is gay! So as you guys can see, McAllister is an absolute goofball McGooberton.
Such a little shitterton. Lovely shitterton. You know, this
goober.
little shitterton right here
Little
looks like
poopy boy.
McAllister pooping all over the place. Little shitterton.
In Spanish class.
All right. Anyways.
Box is definitely the goal. I was gonna say goalkeeper, but like, that doesn't make sense.
Goal!
For these cards as well. Now Zach has to do that.
Yes, he's got to
I
do
said
that.
so.
You said so. I was going to say.
Hey,
Money.
McAllister, we're about to get tribal on your ass.
If you could look into my eyes, you'd see what I am hypnotized. Oh, you get wrong with this siren high from all the things your dirty mind wants. You'd wanna see what's deep inside and take it for a mighty ride. Oh, you'd get zoned from all fire and blind from all the things your dirty mind wants. Out of my mind, yeah, and get down low. Take off your
I'm gonna go Donkey
Yes, sir.
Kong on you, boy. How's it going, guys? Edible arrangements here by the Toasty Bros.
Because you know what? That's the most impression oh my gosh.
That's the most impression.
Because you know what? That's the most, I guess I'm about to say it again.
depressing.
But yes. All right, so we have an edible arrangement. This will end up at PC Bros. Do you like that, McAllister? Yeah.